One morning in the little town of Pebblebrook, everyone woke up to find that the colors were gone. The sky was grey, the flowers were grey, even the strawberry ice cream looked like old porridge. Nobody knew why. But here's the twist. The colors weren't stolen by a villain, they had run away on their own. The red was tired of always being used for stop signs and apples. The blue felt overworked from painting the sky and the ocean every day. The yellow was cranky because it always had to be the cheerful one. Now the whole town has to hold a meeting in the town square. Imagine kids, shopkeepers, pets, and even the mayor all sitting together, trying to convince the colors to come back. But the colors refuse until everyone promises to use them more creatively. Kids painting with red in silly ways, shopkeepers using blue for cupcakes, a dog wearing a yellow raincoat. Slowly, the colors giggle, cheer up, and return, but not before teaching everyone that creativity matters more than rules. The colors swirled together in the air, glowing brighter and brighter, until with a joyful pop, they returned to their rightful places. The grass turned fresh and green, the sky shimmered blue again, and the strawberries blushed the brightest red Pebblebrook had ever seen. The colors were happy now. They knew Pebblebrook didn't just see them as tools, but as friends. Creativity keeps the world alive.